Attitude is up by 15 points. Now our time will be running. Penalty.
Ganda.
Pilat. Tumilat. Pilat Tulemo. Yes, sir. Tolentino sa ilalim. Yes, sir. Alexis still up by 16 points. Yusi Bombay Dubai. Offensive foul. Yep. Substitution. It's like that we are very personal power. That's all it is. Soriano to James. Go to the left. Rebound by Victor Kaya. Wow.
And on the morning sun, you feel the blood rush to your veins.
34-17.
As I do,
No, they 36 for that.
there's no line to cross. It's all
Basket is in. Okay, substitution.
me. I look like you. Whisper the sign of our time.
And a 14 foul. Warning for penalty.
Free
Blue jersey.
to be
It is go. Bring him home. Attacking the defense now. Nice pass, but keep that for his team. Here comes Martin.
16.
The Latin is about 2 people. There's a corner. Official score, we have 21-36. Alexis is up by 15 points.
Yours, then I'm searching for mine. Looking for the truth to feel divine. In sexual crimes and cocaine lines. I'm choking on the rope of the misheard throat. I gotta hear my body. Just the older than coke. I got the world on my shoulders and I need to rest.
He's up there attacking the defense and he finds somebody there. Here's the foul. By Tony Tino.
No mind control can stop me, can stop you. One to one is what we choose to do.
Complete control, but
Of all of your lies, just
nice pass!
as the clothes tear through our bodies. Silent the time.
Soriano. Ibang may jubat. Tumemo. Malapit ang yung rebound kay Turin Gino. Alabang. Substitution. Sa petang. Soriano. Magsampata ang Winos. Plumo. we have pride ng Pinas, Pakitang Gilas. Women's ball center. A huge rebound. Wala ba yung sa kanya pa rin? Wow! Hinaan sa kalabaw. Abre el ataque, Felipe Jiménez quitarse allá, Martín. Okay. Poste de Jacob.
Randall.
10 seconds. He finds the upper. Out of the basket. Soriano for three. Out of bounds. Winning by the shot for three.
Oh, watch out, Randall. Randall.
James. Rebound by Soriano. Doble. Sayang. Wala. Foul by Japan, jersey number 2. Yung oras ko, hindi ko natin nihinto kasi up by 70 points kahit free throw. And that's the end of the third quarter.
Yeah. You think they can
Rebound by
catch up?
5-5. Jake, 10. Go up. Couldn't make it. What's the call? Last touch. Green. Last touch. Maraming pinalo yun. Nice shot. And 1-5. And 1-5. Kaya pa. Batang-bata, pinapin it too. Here comes Kidlat. Wow! nice steal. And here comes Pilapil attacking the defense now. Kid. Out of bounds. There's a foul. 34. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, we have warning for jersey number 11 and 26. Okay, let's go. Let's play. Okay, let's play. Okay, let's play.
Wait, they gave them 3 points. Well, they left the score.
Running time. Winning. Happy. Soriano Sufiantao. To Glenn. Malakas. Pilapil. There's a foul by Martin Bao.
Kuya.
Pilapil 2.
Randall.
Memo to Pilapil. Bigyan mo ng kilos, Batang. Oh, nakalimutan isa. Nag-run na 2 seconds. Slow motion kay Batang. Rebound by Tolentino. Reverse layup, win! Score 30. Winning to Memo. Substitution. Out of
You're gonna choose the game.
You build your own. Yeah. I don't know.
It should be 11 games.
nice defense by Kihat.
11 games.
Wow.
Oh, wait, no.
Angel breaker, Angel breaker. Beat up the 2.
They want to go.
Bacolod. Emo. Batang. To Glenn, yes sir. Here's a foul by Batang. Batang, that's your second personal foul and the third team foul. Pilapil. Two nice defense, but nice offense by jersey number 31 from Marcos. Foul. So Tolentino to Glenn. Yes, sir. 2. Pilapil to Willie. To Memo. Wala. Rebound kay Pinambao. Here comes Jake attacking the defense. Yes, sir. Very sick. Glenn attacking the defense of Kidnap. Nice box out by Pilapil. Kalimutan ni natin na 54 na pala yung sinin mo. Hindi na makatakbo. Kalimutan lang. Tolentino! Lupit lang ni Connie Pilapil pa ng 32 years old. No? Ganda. Then to Rowan. Hey, wala. Hey, here's the ball. Another steal. Oh, Glenn